Hey guys, it's Paul here. I am going to do a series of videos on how I'm going to set up my website, how the new outdoor side. So I've obviously got Paul Nicholson Training, which is the online training business side of my business. And now I've put, I don't know if you can see this video here, I'm doing like an offline, a geocaching, golf, out and about events, travel sort of side of my business. But I want to build a website, which is going to be pnuk.com, where not only can I promote the videos, so it's going to become a YouTube channel website, it's going to become an affiliate channel lead page, so it's going to be sales pages, and then I'm going to get rid of my shortened URL links. So for any of my videos, when you go here, you'll see here, check out Canva partner link, pnuk.co Canva. So at the moment, those are my affiliate links. They come to this little short URL and then they go straight off. What I want to do is, because if you go to pnuk.co,
plans inevitably change with roadmaps in.
So see how it's pnuk.co? I want to make, if you go to pnuk.co, it's a rebandly short link code. I want that to go to pnuk.com. So basically, I want a website where people are going to be able to discuss videos. I maybe set events up, but I want sales lead pages for the things that I'm affiliated to. I want to promote discount codes for certain things that I promote, and many, many more things. Maybe start selling merch and things like that. And I'm going to do that all in one website, WordPress website on WP Engine. So I will link the first video below. I'll build them all out. I'm sort of on the fly working out how I'm going to do it. So I think this will just be the introduction. We're going to be changing pnuk.com, which is currently the forum. That will become forum.pnuk.com, and we're going to build a website around it. So this was the first video in a series. I will be linking as I load each video in the description, in a playlist, maybe even in a training course. Any questions you've got on websites, any questions you've got on hosting, feel free to ask. Anything about affiliates or anything like that, I will help the best I can.